So welcome to my channel again. In this video we are going to talk about Rocky Rabbit. We all have been mining Rocky Rabbit for months now, and very soon Rocky Rabbit will be listed. The question now is, how eligible are you ready for this airdrop? Now to do this, there is a 3 tasks you are supposed to do for this airdrop. Now to do it, click on this airdrop. Click on the airdrop. Read with me, Rocky Rabbit airdrop. To qualify for this Rocky Rabbit airdrop, please ensure you complete all the 3 required tasks. These tasks help verify genuine users. Rocky Rabbit will cover network fees, which will be credited to your wallet during the airdrop withdrawal. So these are the 3 steps that we need to complete to be eligible for this airdrop. The first one is to collect your wallet. The second one is to make a turn transaction, and the third one is to subscribe to the channel. So we have done 2, remaining 1. So I'm going to click on this start, but before then, make sure you have at least 1 turn in your Turnkeeper wallet. Now click on this start. It's loading. Confirm the transaction in Turnkeeper. That's redirected us to Turnkeeper. This task is going to cost us 0.5 ton. So what are you going to do now? Just slide this button arrow here. Slide it. Put in your passcode. I've put my passcode. It's waiting to confirm the transaction done. So we are back to the Rocky Rabbit. It's checking. So we are going to give it some time to check. If at this point, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. May God reward you all. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It has marked good and it has written done. Now you are eligible and you will receive your airdrop on September 22nd.